Good day, everyone. So right now we'll have an introduction to your simulator, which we'll be using to simulate your circuit is Proteus. So after installing your Proteus successfully, basing from the instructions I've given in our classroom, so you can view that one. So after installing everything and successfully installing it, you just open the Proteus. So you will see this form. What you need to do is to create new project. Just wait. Then you could rename the project. Name the project you want. So let's say trial, or any name you want. So click next. Then if you will be creating a schematic diagram where you could create your circuit, then you click this create schematic, and you could have this different sizes, or you could just use the default. So in this case we'll be using default. So next one, if you are or you will be recording, okay, if you will be using or will be creating PCB, then you use this one. Okay, so let's start. So let's say we create PCB. So from there you could also click that one and do the default. So click next. So here you have some options. Basically just click next. Then if you want to embed a program to a certain microcontroller, you can create firmware, and you could choose here what are the different microcontroller family that you will be using. So if you are using Cortex, you could this one STM, or if you will be using Arduino microcontroller, which is based from EBR, then you could use this one. But in our case, this one will not be used. Kaya naman we have the Arduino sketch where we write our code. So we click that no. So by the way, in this part, if you will be creating, or if you will not be creating PCB, you may leave this one as do not create. Okay, so yeah, that one. So this is just for showing you how to do it. And click finish, and then you will see the sketch for this one, schematic. This is where you create your circuit, and this one is the layout for your PCB. So for the schematic, let's say you have circuit to do. So you click the P in this side. Okay, this is where you find the different parts. Okay, so if you don't, you can just type what parts you want. Like for example, you want LED. So automatically you look here, it is highlighted. This is LED, which shows like this. If you want a LED that is actually can simulate, then you choose LED with this active status. Okay, meaning it will work, it will simulate. So let's say for example, green, blue, red. So you could double click that one, it will enter there. Yellow, green, blue, and anything. So from there you choose another one. So in this case we'll be just discussing how to use it. So you could choose many parts here. You could use logic, 7 segments, and etc. So you can use diodes, ICs, and many things. So for example, this is for Sumubot, so we'll be using Arduino. No? So we have here Arduino, so we could use this one. But the question is, sir, what will happen if we cannot find this one or this library? Okay, so what you need to do is to download a library. Okay, so download a library. So let's say, for example, you go to download, and you just go to Google, like that. Okay, you just plainly type what you want. Download, let's say, Arduino Uno. Let's say what you have is Arduino Uno, or Arduino Uno library for Prochus. From there, you could look here. There are many who created their libraries, but I usually go to this creator. So download Prochus library of Arduinos. This one, the engineering projects, but you could use others. You just try to explore. So where you could download. So let's say for Arduino Uno. So let's say this is their circuit or the form. What you need to do is to download that one. So it says here is the latest Arduino library. So for Uno, so Prochus. But click this one. Okay. So version 3. Then what is Arduino? There's an instruction. You could read that one if you want. Then you add this 2 for the library. Then there's an instruction how you add, but I will teach you here. So where is it? Where can I download that one? There's instruction code. Wait, let me find. Wait, I clicked the wrong button. Okay, so here at the start, so click this one. You find Arduino first, download Arduino, and then you click this small one. Okay, and then it will download. So wait for seconds to download it. Now it's done. So you can now download. Not yet. So if you can see, it's already here. But after this one, so for this website, you need to click this small one. So in order for that to download it, that's why this one. Now it's already downloaded. What you need to do next is, after doing that, go to the download folder. So as you can see, this one, this two, I just delete the copy. Okay. So I'll extract this one. So what's inside is the library folder. So I'll just extract this one to Arduino, and then you will see this folder. Okay, and this two, you copy that one and go. Okay, copy this two, copy, then copy that one and then go to your directory where you install your Proteus or your working directory. So after that one, you go to view and options, change folder. After that, you go to view and show hidden files. So it was hidden in by your computer so that some files could not be deleted. But in this case, we need to copy the directory to the directory folder. So you find the Lab Center Electronics after the Proteus, and go to the library. Then simply right click and paste it. And now you could see the Arduino Uno. So close that one. Oops, I forgot. Don't forget to unhide it again, because this will be prone to deletion. So go to view, options, view, done. Okay, then you cannot see it anymore. Okay, close. After that one, you need to close your Proteus. Okay, then open it again. If you could see Ganiha, when we open the Proteus, only Arduino Nano. No? Now, let's open the trial again. After that, let's add the parts. Diba? We put LED, no? Put LED active, let's say yellow. Okay, kana lang. And after that, we go to Arduino. Oops, double. So if you could see, in the past, it's only this one and this one. Now, we could see you have Arduino Uno. No? So, well, you have additional Arduino. That's simply how you add library to your Proteus. And then you put it there and you do your circuit. Okay?